Part 2 of removing the water pump from the 1982 Ford F100. I already got the fan shroud and the fan clutch and fan blade off and the water pump pulley off. And I already got the bolts already out. And this is already loose. You know, it's the same concept as with the straight 6 or the 302, you know, or the 351, you know, serpentine or V-belt. But got it all off. This bolt here is 10 millimeter. This nut, 15 millimeter. This here is 13 millimeter. And long one. I just set them to the side. Just try to remember. Take pictures. You know, that goes there. That one goes there. These ones. It's kind of medium, long, you know. Goes right here. These don't matter where they go, but they go. But these are the 15 millimeters. $13 millimeter. This is a 13 millimeter here. And then just move this and just put it to the side. And unhook that anyways when I pull this motor out, because I'm going to pull this engine out. Just find a good spot for it. Yeah, that looks good for now. There ain't nothing else. And then just pop these hoses off. Pop these hoses off, and this should be it, or softly here, and it should pop off. Or with a rubber mallet or something, or not too hard, you don't want to break it. And then you gotta go buy a brand new one. But that's how you take the water pump off a 1982 3.8 liter V6. 82 to 86, I believe, or 87 for the Ford cars, but the pickup trucks is 82 and 83 for the F100s. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. Make sure you share. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.